there is no stopping the country's top car maker. We learned from sources that Maruti is, in its meeting with top vendors, has asked them to be production ready. This for a sales surge it expects, which will get it to the 2 million car sales number, full 1 year earlier than what was earlier thought. Uttkarsh Chaturvedi broke that story and he's joining in now with the developments. Utkarsh, how significant is this? And this essentially means that they're going to be 1 year early with the target that they had set in mind.
So this is a big positive for the investors, but most importantly, this shows the kind of confidence Maruti has on the Indian automotive story. Now, the company was looking to reach the 2 million annual sales mark by 2020, but now what we are picking up is that the company thinks that they can reach that 2 million mark in FY19 itself, and that is why they called up all the vendors. They had a meeting with the top vendors and they communicated to all these vendors that it is in the second half of FY19 is when they're really expecting to hit the 2 million sales and the production, and that is why they have asked all the vendors to be production ready. In fact, if you look at the performance of Maruti at this point of time, in this year itself, they have grown in an excess of 15%. In fact, if they continue the growth in the same way, they could have very well touched the 18.3 mark this financial year, but they'll be capped at 17.5 because of the production constraint, and that is what Maruti is really working on. The company is really working on expedite the productions of the plant B in Gujarat, and that is why it wants all the manufacturers and all the auto component makers to be production ready.
Okay, thank you so much, Uttkarsh, for joining in with that. The Maruti stock was in fact in focus and inched higher after CNBC TV 18 broke that story. We'll take